All right, so this is my Vizio TV that I purchased probably 15 years ago, and it still works fantastic. Paid 1,500 bucks for it back when technology was much different than it is today. So I'm noticing when I go ahead and press my power button on here, not getting anything. So I think I need to change the batteries on this. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to do that. What you're going to need is these type of batteries right here, which I believe are what? Are these double A's? What do they call these things? Anyway, these are the ones that you need. These are a little bit, not the smallest ones, but the little bit bigger ones. I'm going to show you how to do that. So it's pretty simple. What you have to do is go to the back of the controller itself. This controller has, look at this thing. This thing's amazing. They don't make controllers like this anymore. Anyway, you pop it around. You got to pop this out like this, and there's your batteries. And they should just pop right out. See, that's the positive side. Positive side. You got to pull it all the way forward because it slides under this little thing right here. So then what we're going to do is just slide one in like that. And we're going to slide this one in just like that. Bam, and Bob's your uncle. It should be ready to go. And then we're just going to put our thing on. You can see that what you have to do is kind of like set these in there like this. You see that? And then you just kind of push it down and it makes a click. Get it off, you just kind of pull it. It pops off very easy. So this shouldn't be no problem for you. All right, now we should be ready to go. We should be able to go ahead and turn our TV on. Bam, it works. Check it out. All right, to turn it on, we just press this button. Bam, there it goes. All right, we did it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to do stuff like this. Peace out.